Fishing in the ocean is a different game. Corrosive salt, heavy drag loads, and long battles demand reels built tough. The wrong reel can rust fast, slip line, or fail right when the big catch hits. In this video, I'll share the best saltwater fishing reels that deliver strength, smooth drag, and corrosion resistance, so you land more fish and spend more time enjoying the water. So, without any delay, let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the KastKing Megatron spinning reel, a strong, budget-friendly option for anglers getting into saltwater fishing. One of the biggest challenges for newer saltwater anglers is finding a reel that can handle corrosion without costing a fortune. The Megatron does a solid job here with corrosion-resistant materials and sealed stainless steel bearings, helping it survive salt spray and harsh environments better than most reels in its price range. The drag system is surprisingly smooth for a budget reel, offering enough stopping power for species like redfish, speckled trout, flounder, and school-sized stripers. Casting is easy, retrieves feel balanced, and line lays evenly on the spool, all important for beginners. This reel is lightweight and comfortable for long sessions, whether you're fishing from shore, pier, or kayak. It's also beginner-friendly, with simple operation and minimal adjustment needed. That said, it's not built for extreme abuse or trophy-sized fish. Heavy offshore use or constant exposure to rough conditions will shorten its lifespan compared to higher-end reels. At number 4 is the Penn Pursuit 4, a reel that's earned a reputation as one of the most dependable entry to mid-level saltwater reels available. Penn is known for building tough saltwater gear, and the Pursuit 4 reflects that with durable metal components and corrosion-resistant finishes. This reel is designed to handle repeated exposure to saltwater while maintaining smooth operation. The multi-disc drag system delivers reliable pressure during fights, helping prevent line breaks when fish make sudden runs. Whether you're targeting redfish, striped bass, or snapper, the Pursuit 4 provides steady control. Casting performance is smooth and predictable, making it a great choice for anglers of all skill levels. It works well for surf fishing, pier fishing, and inshore boat fishing. While it doesn't have the advanced sealing of premium reels, regular rinsing keeps it performing well. For the price, it offers an excellent balance of strength, reliability, and performance. If you want a trusted saltwater reel that won't break the bank, the Penn Pursuit 4 is a safe and proven option. Earning the number 3 slot is the SHIMANO Stradic FL, one of the most respected spinning reels for saltwater fishing available today. SHIMANO is a brand anglers trust, and this reel lives up to that trust. What sets the Stradic FL apart is how incredibly smooth and responsive it feels. Its Hagane gear and body structure give it strength without unnecessary weight, while X-Ship technology means the gear stays perfectly aligned under heavy pressure. What you'll notice on your first cast is how effortless the retrieve feels. Whether you're targeting trout, stripers, redfish, or even bigger inshore fish, this reel gives you consistent drag and silky operation throughout the fight. This reel isn't just about smoothness. It's built with materials and designs that stand up to saltwater conditions, especially when followed up with proper rinsing and maintenance. At number 2 is the Penn Spinfisher 6 spinning reel, a reel built for anglers who demand strength and dependability from their saltwater gear. What really sets the Spinfisher 6 apart is its fully sealed body and spool. This means water, sand, and grit stay out, and that dramatically increases longevity compared to reels without sealed components. Whether you're surf fishing, pier fishing, or chasing bigger inshore fish, this reel can be trusted in tough conditions. The drag system is powerful and smooth, capable of handling strong, hard-fighting species like bluefish, jacks, and larger coastal predators. The Superline spool allows braid to be tied directly, which improves casting distance and sensitivity, a huge advantage for long cast and heavy lines. It's not the lightest reel on the market, but it feels bulletproof, giving you confidence when serious fish take off on long runs. Taking the top spot as the best saltwater fishing reel overall is the Garcia Ambassadeur C3, a true classic and a powerhouse for saltwater fishing. This reel is legendary for one reason: durability and control. The Ambassadeur C3 is built to handle heavy fish, strong currents, and tough conditions. Its round baitcast design provides excellent torque, making it ideal for battling hard-fighting species. The reel features corrosion-resistant components, a strong drag system, and impressive line capacity. It excels when fishing with heavier lures or bait, especially from piers, boats, or surf setups. While baitcast reels have a learning curve, experienced anglers love the precision casting and leverage this reel provides. Once mastered, it offers unmatched control when targeting larger saltwater fish. This reel has stood the test of time and continues to be trusted by serious anglers worldwide. If you want a reel that delivers raw power, reliability, and proven performance, the Garcia Ambassadeur C3 is the undisputed #1. Here's a buying guide to help you choose the best saltwater fishing reel for your needs. Saltwater fishing puts extra stress on gear, so the right reel needs corrosion resistance, strong drag performance, and reliable line handling. Start by picking the reel type based on how you fish. Spinning reels are versatile and great for inshore or light offshore use, easy to cast, and ideal for beginners and experienced anglers alike. Conventional or baitcasting reels offer more line capacity and power for big game, trolling, or deep-sea fishing. Corrosion resistance is critical. Look for reels with sealed drag systems, anodized aluminum components, and stainless or sealed bearings to keep saltwater, sand, and grit out of the internals. A smooth, adjustable drag system helps you fight strong fish without sudden jerks that could snap your line. Match the reel size to your target species. Smaller sizes suit inshore fish like redfish and snook, while larger sizes handle tuna, sailfish, and other big ocean species. Consider gear ratio too. Higher ratios retrieve line faster, while lower ratios give more torque for heavy hits. Finally, balance weight versus strength. A lighter reel is easier to handle for long sessions, but shouldn't sacrifice durability. With the right reel, you'll enjoy more bites and smoother fights on every saltwater outing.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!